Can a bird copy barking dogs, squeaky doors, and even other birds, all in the same hour? Clue 1. This bird can imitate over 100 sounds, from car alarms to cats. Clue 2. It uses mimicry to defend its territory and impress mates. Clue 3. It's often found in backyards, parks, and city streets across North America. Clue 4. Its name comes from its mocking talent, not its voice. Answer. It's the northern mockingbird, nature's ultimate impressionist. What would you teach it to mimic? Comment below and follow the curious bonobo.